Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to JSON using Zapier and PDF.co. This automation is incredibly useful if you need to extract structured data from PDF files automatically, whether it's for invoices, forms, or reports. Let's dive into the setup. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where you can manage all your automations. Now, click the Zap button to start creating a new workflow. This is where you'll connect different apps to work together seamlessly. Next, click the trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation, so we need to define what event kicks everything off. In the search bar, type Google Drive and select it as your trigger app. We're using Google Drive because it's a convenient place to store and monitor your PDF files. From the event options, choose New File in Folder as the trigger event. This means your Zap will activate whenever a new file appears in a specific folder. Now, you'll need to connect your Google Drive account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to authorize access. Then select the specific folder you want to monitor for new PDFs. This could be a dedicated folder where you upload documents that need conversion. Once you've selected your folder, Zapier will watch it continuously for any new files. With your trigger set up, it's time to add the action. Click the action button, then search for PDF.co and select it. PDF.co is a powerful tool that handles various document conversions and processing tasks. Choose PDF to Anything Converter as the action event, which gives you flexibility in how you want to convert your files. You'll need to connect your PDF.co account at this stage. If you don't have one yet, head over to PDF.co and sign up. The good news is they offer free credits to get you started, so you can test this automation without any immediate costs. Once your account is connected, you're ready to configure the conversion settings. In the Setup section, locate the Output Format field and select JSON from the drop-down menu. This tells PDF.co exactly what format you want your converted file to be in. Next, you need to map the source file. Look for the source file field and click it to see available data from previous steps. Select the file data that comes from your Google Drive trigger step. This connection ensures that whatever PDF appears in your watched folder gets automatically sent to PDF.co for conversion. Before you activate this Zap, it's important to verify everything works correctly. Click Test Action to run a test using a sample PDF from your folder. Zapier will process the file and show you the JSON output. Review this carefully to make sure the conversion meets your expectations and that all the data is being extracted properly. Once you're satisfied with the test results, click Publish to turn on your Zap. Your automation is now live and will automatically convert any new PDF files in your Google Drive folder to JSON format using PDF.co. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.